Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Athens Executive Leather-Faced Office Armchair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad with backrest and arms attached, mechanism, gas strut cover, 5-star base, 5 casters, Allen key, bolts, which are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen key provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Take the gas strut cover and place it over the gas strut like this. Next, attach the mechanism to the seat base with the arrow on the mechanism pointing to the front of the seat base. Insert the 4 M6 by 22mm bolts provided. Once the 4 bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Attach the backrest to the seat pad using the 4 M6 by 30mm bolts. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. With the help of another person, place the seat onto the gas strut like this. Please keep your Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your Athens Executive Leather-Faced Office Armchair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.